Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we've got 2017 Holden Colorado, stock number 6653. This ran from the 7th 2016 and 12th 2020 and has an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre, left hand door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, one light crease. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,